Hello everyone, welcome to the Java series. I am Shrishti Kulkarni. Today we will take our first step into the Java world. Today we will understand what is Java, how to set environment in your system. At the end of the session, we will write and run our first Java code. Let's begin. So let's start with Java. What is Java? So basically Java, we know that this is the backend language. Java is basically used to build an applications. Java is a platform independent. So what is Java? It is developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1995. What is the strong feature of Java? The strong feature is write once, run anywhere. So it is used for the desktop, web, Android and enterprise application. Like everywhere you can use the Java. Why we have to learn the Java? This is also the very important thing. So there are some features of Java. Easy to learn. Second, platform independent, right? So you can run Java code on any operating system, which makes Java write once, run anywhere. Secure hai, because of that also we can use the Java. Object oriented, right? So Java provides four pillars, that is abstraction, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism. So those four pillars are provided by the Java for object-oriented programming language. Again, it has a huge community support and frameworks like Spring, Hibernate, thus are also provided in a Java. Using those frameworks, you can build your own application. Another feature, object-oriented. Object-oriented means what? Again, it provides the four pillars that we will later discuss. Huge community support and frameworks like Spring, Hibernate, etc. If you want to become a backend developer, Java is essential. Like Java has powers to build large-scale application. Like if you can say banking system, Android apps, so all that you can build using the Java. Next part, Java components. Like as we discussed, Java has a strong feature that is platform independent. You can run your Java code on any operating system. For that, we definitely need to thanks to JVM. But what is JVM? That is the Java components, like JDK, JRE and JVM. What is JDK, what is JRE and what is JVM? So basically what is JDK? It is a Java development kit. So suppose if you want to become a developer, you definitely need the JDK. Because JDK contains the JRE, also the development tools, that is Java C or JAR. So all the development tools are provided by the JDK. So if you really want to become a Java developer, JDK is also needed. Next, Java runtime environment, which is also called as a JRE. Used to run the Java programs basically. Then we have the Java virtual machine, that is JVM. What is Java virtual machine? As we said, that because of the JVM, Java is a platform independent. Because same bytecodes gives the same result, which makes Java platform independent. So in your one system, if you written your Java code and if you want to run in another system, you can definitely do it by the help of JVM. So those are the components, JDK, JVM and JRE. How the JVK, JDM and JRE are going to use. So look at here. First thing, source code. The code which is done by the developer, which is written in English, that is nothing but your source code. So source code को हम लोग .java extension से save करते हैं. Okay, .java extension. So the source code is not understood by the JVM because source code is definitely written in English. It is familiar with the developer but not with the machines. So what we can do? So for that, source code will go to the Java C, that is Java compiler. Java compiler will convert your source code to your bytecode. Means .java file will go to the .class file. Now .class file means your bytecode is easily understood by the JVM. So then JVM will generate the output. So like that your Java code execution flow. Like that your any Java application is going to work. So now let's get started with the Java program. Also we will install the setup. So now we learn JDK, JVM and JRE but theoretically. Now if we want to become a developer, obviously we need a practical sessions. So now we will write our first Java code and also we will run it. I know before starting or running the Java code, we need to do the setup, right? So now let's do the setup. So for running the Java application, we are going to use Eclipse. Okay. So how to do the setup? Simply, we will go to the Eclipse download, that is Eclipse Foundation. Okay. After clicking here, you can easily download the Eclipse. Okay. So by clicking here, you can easily download the Eclipse. After downloading, we will do the installation process. Okay. So once you complete the installation, like this, your Eclipse page will open. Okay. So now, how to do the project? Let's see. So we will simply close this welcome window. Okay. So this is your Eclipse window. We are going to use or create a Java project. So we will go to the file, new, simply click on other option and search for Java project. Okay. So like that, this window will open. Now first we have to give the project name. For now, I am giving the project name as demo. Click on the next button. Click on the finish button. That's it. Okay. So like that, your Java project is going to create. Now, how to create a class in Java? How to run or how to write the code in that class? Simply, if you want to create any of the class, first thing is that we need to create the package. This is the user defined package. Later we will discuss what is package in brief also. So now I am just creating an package here, file, new, package. Give the package name as I am giving the package name as a test. Right click on package, new, and then we will create a simply class. Make sure your class name, first character will be capital only, like this. Click on the finish button. So your first class has been created. Now, how to write the code inside the class? So simply, if you want to run any of the code, first thing is that you need to include the main method. So I am just including the main method here. Okay. So now after including this main method, I am going to print our simple hello world program. So system.out.println and I am going to print that is hello world like this. Okay, so this is your source code. Now we will simply run this code. Okay, so at the end you can see the hello world as an output. So here you can see first .java. .java means what? Simply this is our source code. Source code will go to the Java C, then bytecode, and then we are getting the output, right? So this is our first program for the Java. Now, if you want to become a developer, if you want to do some projects or if you want to do some programs, definitely we need a data types, we need a variables. So that part we are going to see in our next series. Thank you.